Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can take a burst shot in your Motorola One 5G eyes. So it's very simple, you don't have to do anything in the options, just open the camera app and hold the finger on the shutter button. How you can see, we took 12 burst shot photos, and if you want to take a single shot from the series, just open the gallery and click here. Now just open it again, and how you can see there we have a series of the photos. If you want to keep the photo that you like the most, just select it, take a brush and choose the keep this photo only. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.